So I'm gonna show you the easiest way to make some cool leg warmers. Go to the thrift store and look in the sweater section. Look at the men's and the women's, who cares? Look for fabric that you like. Look for a sleeve that has a little bit of stretch to it and that's not really stretched out or anything. And we are going to cut this bad boy to the length that you would like your leg warmer. I like mine to be mid-calf down to a little bit layered over my shoe. So I measured myself and that's 12 inches. So here's what we're going to do. We have this sleeve and we are gonna cut this sucker at 12 inches. I would recommend to just lay it down on top of it so you know that they are totally the same length. So you want to get a fabric that's not going to fray a whole bunch. This bad boy has a little bit of this stuff that's going to go off. Just get all the extra stuff off of it, all the things that want to fall off. But seriously, we're done. That's it. Easy as pie. So the way you want to put them on, obviously, the sleeve side higher up. If you need this to be a little bit tighter, you can kind of roll it and that'll make it a little bit tighter. Dude, check that out. 2 different styles. Seriously, probably the easiest DIY there is.